Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share your location on Android using Messenger. It can be helpful to let someone know approximately where you are as you move around. You can do that by sharing your live location via Facebook Messenger on either an Android or iOS phone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. From the chat screen, tap the conversation you want to share your location with. Tap the plus symbol in the lower left corner of the screen. Then, tap Location. Tap Allow Location Access. If you receive this screen that asks Allow Messenger to use your location, tap Allow. You'll see a screen with a two-part question: Allow Messenger to access this device's location. Choose Precise or Approximate. Choose between while using the app, only this time, or Don't Allow. Choosing Don't Allow makes it impossible to share your location. Then tap the button that says Start Sharing Live Location for 60 minutes. If you change your mind, tap the Stop Sharing Live Location button. Live location only stays turned on for a specific chat for no more than an hour at a time. So, choosing this option doesn't mean you'll broadcast your location to every friend, casual acquaintance, and random stranger that you're friends with on Facebook. Like location snafus that need to be undone. Mishap occur with technology, including Messenger. There's no telling when problems will arise, which can be annoying when you're attempting to share your location. But it's nothing a few swipes can't fix to get you up and running. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.